What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions, coming back to you with another video. Today I got my TRAXXAS Anton and my TRAXXAS Slash 4x4, and we're going to see if the Anton can actually lift the Slash 4x4 and actually take it on a little flight. But alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, we just got set up. I got all 4 green lights, and we're going to go. This is our first attempt. Alright, well that was a fail. Alright, we're going to do attempt number 2. This time I'm going to try to help it out a little bit. Second attempt was a fail. The Slash is just too heavy for the Anton. I have to say, it was definitely a little bit intimidating trying to help the quadcopter lift the Slash. Just the noise of the blades, and when I was that close, it does get a little intimidating. Alright, you guys, the Slash just proved to be too heavy for the TRAXXAS Anton. That just goes to show you that videos don't always go the way you think they're going to go a lot of times, but it still makes for some good entertainment. Well, as always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.